A very common error that we see is when you're adding in cost codes to a project, you have to actually add the parent cost code as well as the child cost codes. So in my projects list here, let's say for instance on my porterhouse, I'm going to go in and I'm going to add from catalog. And let's say I wanted to add in my general conditions. I'm going to select it and save. It's going to pop up an error saying parent cost code not valid. So in order to get that cost code in, I'm going to have to select the parent cost code along with it. So I'm going to select my procurement and contracting requirements as well as my general conditions. Now, when I save, it works. So they're in there now. So that's a really common one that we see. So whenever you are adding your cost codes to your projects, you will have to select the parent cost code along with it. Hope that helps.